Hey Susan, so as Nasos told you over the phone, we are working with siding and repair and painting companies all over the country. And we were actually doing some research in your area of Raleigh when we came across your listing in Google AdWords. And then I checked out your website. Now we are based in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we are doing this customized video about how you can beat out your competition online and get new customers. But since I don't want to waste any more of your time or mine, if by the end of this video, you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how we can help you bring on new clients, then please give us a call. If not, that's no big deal. Still feel free to take the tips that I've given you today and use them and see how they work out for you in bringing in more clients. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 different topics I'm going to cover today have to do with content, citations, and backlinks. And I'm going to explain more in detail what those are as we move along and just try to lay everything out pretty plainly. Content is everything on the front page of your site. It includes the words, but it also includes the pictures and what the pictures are saved as. Google, they like to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words of content. And the main reason why is because of something called keywords. Now, of course, your content is there to let potential clients know everything they would need to know about your business, but it is also there so that you can optimize on keywords. And keywords and key phrases are just the terms that potential clients use when they are searching in Google for the type of business and services that you have to offer. And so when you have that amount of content and you're really optimizing on those keywords, it really sets your website up to perform more like a magnet that pulls and attracts clients to you, which is the aim, right? That's what we want. And so I scanned the front of your site, and I also scanned the front of these guys' site. I'm not sure if you've heard of them. They're also in Raleigh, Triangle Home Exteriors. And excuse me, I can see that you guys have 491 words of content. And after scanning these guys' site, I can see that they have 928. And so here's one of the reasons they are currently ranking higher online is because of their word content and their content amount. And so something that I would encourage you guys to do, would definitely suggest, is that you up your content to at least 1,000 words and really optimize on those keywords. And it'll begin to bring in quite a bit of traffic, just like these guys are currently bringing in. The second thing I want to talk about is something called citations. Now, a citation is your business information listed in an online directory. So Google is a directory. Yelp is a directory. Yellow Pages is a directory, and there are hundreds, if not thousands, of directories online. Here's why that's important. Here's why citations are important. The reason being is because the more citations that you have, the higher up in the Google Map Pack you will appear. And this is a Google Map Pack, right? And these are all business listings. These are all citations. And so the more citations you have, it doesn't just provide more places for more clients to find you, although that is a benefit. It also guarantees that you are higher up in the Google Map Pack. So I use a tool to check this called White Spark. And White Spark allows me to see how many citations you guys have as opposed to how many citations your competition has. So I see that you guys currently have 24 citation sources, and I can see specifically where those directories are. And for Triangle Home Exteriors, we can see this is another reason why they are at the top of the Google Map Pack, is because they have 42 citation sources. And so we would say to ourselves, okay, in order to beat out Triangle Home Exteriors and bring in a lot more clients and rank at the top of the Google Map Pack, we would want to aim for 42 citation sources and even more, right? The third and final thing I want to cover is something called backlinks. Now, a backlink is an authoritative website or platform that is linking up with your website, and they are passing backlinks to you. And through doing that, they are sharing their authority that they have with Google with you, and it's causing your authority in Google to go up. And so for this, I use a tool called Ahrefs, because Ahrefs is there's several other different tools similar to it, but Ahrefs is as close to Google Analytics as possible. And so I love precision and accuracy when measuring something as pivotal as backlinks. And when I say pivotal, I just mean they are a very important part in deciding in how well you rank online and how many clients you bring in, right? And so I can see that you guys currently have 22 referring domains, currently giving you 140 backlinks. Currently, your domain rating on a scale of 1 to 100 is a 0.1, and your URL rating on a scale of 1 to 100 is a 17. And so you can see here too the number of where you guys are ranking. And this is all a pretty clear picture of your current standing and current trust with Google, right? And so I'm going to switch over here to Triangle Home Exteriors. And I can see that they have 106 referring domains, giving them 236 backlinks. And so on a scale of 1 to 100, their domain rating strength is a 12, and their URL rating strength is a 21. And we can also see the number of where they rank in Ahrefs. And so the domain, these both combined give a pretty clear picture of where they are. And so they are doing a little bit better because of the amount of backlinks that they have, giving them that authority in Google. And so I would definitely encourage you guys to up your amount of backlinks that you're getting to your site and begin to build more trust with Google. And as that happens online, you'll see a lot more clients streaming in, coming into your site, being converted into paying clients who actually have siding and painting jobs for you guys to complete. And so, yeah, Susan, thank you so much for your time. I hope this information has been insightful for you. And we definitely look forward to hearing your feedback on it. And look forward to talking to you. So thanks so much.